Morning, I'm on the second topic now. The second topic I'm on now. This one serious. Last year I put out a flag saying that year gonna be a woman year, but everything will come out now. Look what happened now. And the news I'm seeing that Mr. Usain St. Leo Bolt crying foul for his retirement money. And it's unfair. You know, it's unfair. I'm going to tell you something now. Because history is going, when you hear this now, I believe, but now, when you know, me can tell you the truth, you can go up on YouTube and you see. When time you see him Bolt, I do, check on give Jamaica. Yeah, I went to Jamaica overall, yeah? Me used to sell peanuts, in a UAE, I walk from Kentire and sell peanuts. The street on a UAE board. And I was harassed by police a lot of time. Because they said, I'm not allowed to sell peanuts on the compound. In which I wasn't selling peanuts on the compound now. I was selling peanuts on the UAE compound where the football players, the cricketers, you name it. Because at UWI, there are a sports type of college. You have all different type of sports. You name it. And you visit those sports overseas and don't know that it is out here. So I'm telling you, you will have the best track club, right? Racers track with Mr. Glenn Mills, right? You will have the best intercal college team in the Caribbean, in which enough people may never know. Intercal is like the student them who go to UWI scholarship. So they play football for college, they represent the college. For the 4 year or the 5 year they will be in the college for some of them go do certain courses, like some of them do sports, physiotherapy, some of them even train as lawyer, because if you don't know, at UWI, all the students who you see there are so brilliant. To go to UWI, you'd have to have a whole heap of brilliance in you. And in the come just that, you come with progress, seriousness. You have serious about education and then you have come with sports after and then that's how it goes. You understand? When me check it out now, the man cry foul at them taking money. And I saw a name, I'm not saying I said the name, I see the name put up. A lady by the name of Kanja. And when I see and read up on this person, the portfolio where I see there have for it's so serious. She have more than 5 portfolios. She had the manager with SS loan. She a part of NCB because as far as I see it, NCB and SSL, it's the same company, And one man own it, because she's a part of the NCB family. Otherwise, so when me hear them I say she's a part of NCB, I say, oh, that means I one company, but then just change the name and put a different name there. Because that's how business people do business, They have 10 business and 10 different names. So when you feel like it's one business, you have 5, 6, 7. You understand? The scamming part now is the man cry fall so that he miss money. You know that when time I was going to UWI selling peanuts, a lot of time Mr. Glenn Mills. Yeah, I tell you serious. Mr. Glenn Mills, after I get serious on the UCM board, Warren Weir, Ewan Blake, etc. Other athletes. All of them was my close friend. And I did have a close friend that died. But he wasn't living in Jamaica. Everyone's supposed to know that gentleman, Jeremy.